Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's a rainy day today, but I'm heading out to go get my order from Temu that just arrived. The delivery man just called me that he's at the gate. This is my first ever Temu order. Like all the while the Temu fever has been going around, I haven't caught it. But yeah, let's go get this thing and do an unboxing together, shall we? Right, so I'm back. I have gotten it. This is what it looks like. This is how it came. Actually, in the 2 weeks that it has taken this thing to get here, I wasn't the least bit nervous. But now suddenly I'm nervous, wondering what I'm going to find inside. But let's see if this was a waste of my money or it was worth the buy. Let's see what's inside. You're laughing. That's funny. That's funny.
This is my sister. Another one inside.
Wait.
I like it.
So the first thing is these cute rubber bands hair accessories that I got for 3,218 naira as against 10,840. These things are so cute and I love, to make my kids hair with things like this, but they are very rare and scarce around where I live. And even if you find them, I know around Christmas I saw them and one was going for like 400 naira. So when I saw this pack of 50 for 3,000, how much did I say again? 3,218. I was, I knew I had to have it. Although the packaging was a little more tush, because they were wrapped around the paper, but yeah, this is okay. It's fine. These are really, really cute. They're so cute. And the quality is quite okay. Look. Really cute. Look.
Slap this one too.
I'm going to do it. Just keep it first. I'm very satisfied with this one. Very, very satisfied. To get 50 of these things for 3,200 naira, it's definitely worth the buy. I'm happy with this one. The second thing I got is this hair bonnet for my kids. They said the original price is 13,000, but then there was a discount and I got it for about 3,000 naira. I don't know about the original price, but I know that I wanted a hair bonnet for my kids and I got it. This is not the quality I was expecting. I have a hair bonnet and it's much thicker than this. So I was thinking that it was going to be, as thick as that. And this elastic band looks a little big for them, but I don't know. I got two of them for my twins.
Mama.
This is more like it's the fabric is too light. It's quite light. And well, it's satin still, but it's quite light. I guess it will do the job. But this for 3,000 naira, no, I'm not sure I like that, but it's fine. Because when I was getting my hair bonnet, I was actually looking for a hair bonnet for my kids and I couldn't find it. So this one is okay. No regrets there. Now this shower shampoo cap. This shampoo cap. I really needed to get this. It's my scissors. I had thought that this thing is, how am I going to describe this fabric, this material? I don't know how to describe it, but I thought that it was plastic. But this is something that can very easily tear off. And kids, I don't know, they might easily just bite this thing off and tear it off. I don't know. But I needed it because one of my kids is really fussy when it comes to like washing her hair, shampooing her hair. She's always very fussy about water and foam getting into her ear. So when I saw this on Temu, I decided to just get it. Now, this was not why I went there. The real reason for this order is the last one I'm going to do. This was not the reason I went there. I just saw all these things and decided to add. But yeah, why I got this is because of this ear protection thing. So this one, you put it on the head like this, and then this one covers the ears. and yeah, I really like it. I hope that it's durable. That's the only bone of contention here. This is the one that I'm really excited about, although it looks smaller than I expected it to be. It's this fun activity book for kids. We're in holiday season and I'm just afraid that they'll get bored and stuff. So when I saw these things, I decided to get it. I thought it was going to come like a book, but these are like cards. But I guess I'm going to figure out how to do it, at the end of the day. I'll figure it out. But this is what it looks like. This is one card. There's this card that I guess is supposed to teach them numbers. Oh, I'm supposed to couple it myself. So it came with these two rings. And I'm seeing holes out here. And it came with an instruction sheet as well. So I'm just going to figure this out later, but it looks like a really fun thing. It looks really fun, and it's looking like it's worth the money because I got this for about 5,000 naira. It looks really fun, but I'll figure it out. Look, there's a whole instruction sheet and everything. So we're going to figure this out later. But I mean, if you're like looking for something for your kids to indulge in this holiday, because I've sort of noticed that they get bored really easily, hopefully I'll still order more stuff like this, books and maybe activity games for them later from Temu, because I saw a bunch of them that looked interesting. But let me just put this away because they are really eager to touch and to see everything here, and I just want to get done with this video. So let's see the very last thing, but the most important purchase out of all this.
Let's see what's inside this one.
Let's see.
I don't know what's inside.
No, you don't. But you see now.
What's that card for me?
Why are you pointing? It's your business.
Oh, that one. This one. Let's see what's inside.
Alright. The ultimate review.
Hey.
I got a tripod stand from Temu. This was actually the reason that I went there to shop, because my tripod stand sort of scattered. If you've noticed, my videos lately have been in very awkward and strange and angles. I've tried my best to use a table phone holder, mounting it on other stuff, but it's not what I'm used to, and it's also limiting because if I'm not making videos in the kitchen, then it's hard to use that. But so I knew that I had to get a tripod stand. I chose this one because it has an extendable arm, according to them. So I hope that this one is going to be more durable than the one I actually have, because it feels light. It does feel light, but I hope that it is durable compared to the one that I have now. This cost me about 27,000 naira as against the original price that they said was 43. So yeah, I just really hope that this will work. I guess this is the part that, is the adjustable part. That is the foldable part, so that when I'm making videos, say in the kitchen, I can get overhead shots. I was really excited about that, and it doesn't look bad. At all. I only hope that it's durable at the end of the day. That's the most important thing to me right now. And then this is the phone holder. This is the phone holder, guys.
I'll put this in.
And I guess this. So I guess I'm going to figure this out later, but it looks okay. right now. Just looking at it, I think it looks okay. So that's it, guys. Am I impressed? Somewhat. There's nothing spectacular about any of this. It's not like the prices are ridiculously cheap, or that the items wowed me, or they're out of this world for the price that I got them. Just because I'm not very easily impressed, but this is good. Will I still order from Temu? Yes, this is quite good. And why that is because of the convenience. I live very far from town, and most of these things I want to get, I don't even know where to get them. So it's easy for me to just sit down at home and make these orders and get them in 2 weeks. 2 weeks is not such a bad delivery timeline. So yes, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, let me know so that I do another unboxing such as this the next time that I order from Temu. Have you also made any order from Temu before? Was it a hit or a miss? Let me know in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe and stay tuned for more honest and fun stuff like this. Until I see you in the next one, take care of yourselves. Bye.